Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And obviously, you guys know inside this in this channel, on this channel, I'm sorry, we often cover things for self-improvement and whatnot, including sometimes a little bit of style. Now, I won't call some of the things on this channel necessarily stylish, but I sometimes call them things that are kind of necessity for you to kind of introduce in your lineup, especially for your maybe clothing line, accessories, things of that sort for you guys to have everyday carry type of stuff and things of that sort that's usually recommended for you guys to have. So this, which I am going to review on the channel right now, is actually a pair of sandals by Dockers. I had a pair of these years back. They're the most comfortable sandals that I've had. I've had different types before that I never really liked. And then the Dockers I just really liked. I wore them into the ground. This year I recently bought a new pair. Link's going to be in the description for you guys to purchase on Amazon. And with that being said, we're going to jump into this. Now, they only go for roughly $39, $40. So they don't break the bank, but they're actually very comfortable. Let's get this out of here. Wide angle. Now, this is the type where I feel you get a lot of support. The cushion feels good, but you get a lot of support because even though it's a open front toe design, you got three straps. You got the strap on the back, and you got the strap in the middle and the strap on the front. And actually looking at these, they're actually a little different than the ones that I originally had owned before. Slightly, it looks like they've been kind of modified for some small upgrades, including the cushion on the bottom feels a little thicker or a little more padded. Um, this right here looks like you got extra padding on the back, which it didn't feel uncomfortable before at all, but I definitely feel that this one seems to be a little more advanced than the one I had, but the general outlook of it looked the exact same. Just very comfortable. I wore them for a couple of years, and I had no issues with them at all. I definitely recommend that for men and women, but for men, have a nice sandal in your arsenal, something that looks nice, simple, but it gives you support that you can wear in the summertime with a pair of shorts, blue jean shorts, even khaki shorts that go well with that. A kind of universal color. I think this color seemed to be pretty universal that it could go with just about anything. But I definitely think you want to have a warm color, not something like you can have black, but I think a dark brown or even a medium brown works best, especially that contrast when it comes to going up with like say blue jeans or something like that. But definitely have that inside your arsenal. Obviously, people are going to have sneakers. You always want to have that as always. And you don't have to break the bank when it comes to that. But definitely throw a pair of sandals inside your arsenal as well when it comes to just your summer wear or whatever the case is, your vacation wear. And that's really about it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. As always, you guys be safe, take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.